So in this problem, we need to determine the length of the tangent drawn from the point -2, 3 to the circle 2x squared plus 2y squared equals to 3. Let us begin. So here we have a point, let's say point P with the coordinates -2, 3. Now this point is external to a circle. Those equation is given by 2x squared plus 2y squared equals to 3. Now let's say from this point P, we draw a straight line such that it is tangent to the circle at A. So our goal will be to determine the length of the tangent PA. To find out the length of the tangent PA, there's a standard formula. We'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we have x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2 times fy1 plus c. Now here, the constants g, f and c are the values that can be obtained from the circle, whereas x1 and y1 is going to correspond to the point P, that means the coordinates of point P. Okay, so let's start with the given equation of a circle. So here we have 2x squared plus 2y squared equals to 3. Now what we'll do, we'll rewrite this equation as 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 3 equals to 0. We need to get rid of the coefficient of x squared as that of y squared. We need to make it 1. So that means we are going to divide each terms by 2 to get x squared plus y squared minus 3 over 2 equals to 0. Now we will compare this particular equation with the general equation of a circle, which has the form x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So this immediately gives us the value g and f. So g will be equals to 0, f will be equals to 0 as well, whereas c will be equals to -3 over 2. So let's now find out the length of the tangent PA. We will take the square root. So first we will need the value of x1. So here x1 comma y1, that corresponds to the coordinates of point P, which is -2, 3. Meaning x1 will be equals to -2 and y1 will be +3. So we take -2 whole squared, add it to +3 whole squared. Now g and f are 0, so we only have c value, which is -3 over 2. So let's compute this, and this is going to be the square root of -2 squared, that's 4, 3 squared, that's 9, minus 3 over 2. So we have 13 minus 3 over 2, so that's going to be square root of 23 over 2, and this is going to be the length of the tangent drawn from the point P to the circle.